Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Infiniti Q50 trunk without power. First, you'll need to find the physical key hidden inside your key fob. Most fobs have a small release button or switch to slide out the metal key. Once you have the key, proceed to the rear of your vehicle. You will need to access the back seats to begin this process. Now, once you're inside the car, look for the seat release levers, usually located near the top of the rear seats or in the trunk itself. Pull these levers to fold the seats down, creating an opening into the trunk space. Carefully crawl through this opening into the trunk. It might be dark, so a small flashlight can be very helpful to see what you are doing. Once you are inside the trunk, look for the emergency release handle. This handle is usually a small, T-shaped or L-shaped lever, often glowing in the dark for easy visibility. It's typically located on the inside of the trunk lid. Grab this handle firmly and pull it towards you. This action will manually unlatch the trunk, allowing it to open. After pulling the emergency release, the trunk lid should pop open slightly. You may need to push it upwards to fully open it. Ensure there are no items or obstructions preventing the lid from lifting completely. This method is a reliable way to access your trunk when the power system is not functioning. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.